Today's networks are under constant attack, and your firewall is your frontline defense. But technology alone isn't enough. Introducing the SonicWall Network Security Administrator (SNSA) course, a 2-day hands-on certification training that prepares you to confidently configure, manage, and troubleshoot SonicWall firewalls. This instructor-led training includes 80% hands-on lab time, backed by 6 hours of pre-course learning to help you hit the ground running. Built on SonicOS 6.5, this course gives you the skills to deploy and secure SonicWall firewall appliances, configure networking, NAT, and VPN services, manage users and access rules, monitor traffic and identify threats, troubleshoot firewall operations in real time. After completing the course, you'll be eligible to take the SNSA certification exam, a proctored test that validates your SonicWall administration skills. With your instructor's help, you'll receive activation keys to unlock the exam and access new SNSA content through SonicWall University. The SNSA course also sets the foundation for advanced certifications like SonicWall Network Security Professional and Secure Mobile Access Administrator. Delivered by Datacipher, SonicWall's trusted training partner, this course is available both on-site and online, taught by certified experts who know the real-world security challenges enterprises face. Build your SonicWall expertise. Get SNSA certified with Datacipher and take the next step in your cybersecurity career.